I'm going to show you exactly how to start a one-person AI business in 30 days using Claude Code. Most videos on this topic are going to show you how to use Claude Code to build apps, to automate outreach pipelines, to spin up AI agents, design landing pages, and run your entire operation from your phone or laptop. And honestly, that stuff works and it's impressive. But there's one problem. Building something is not the same as building something that makes money. And the number one mistake I see people make when they get really excited about Claude Code is they spend 30 days building and 0 days selling. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually make money with a one-person AI business using Claude Code and why the product you build matters a lot more than how you build it. My name is Fred. I run a one-person AI business. My record is over $5,000 in cash collected in 48 hours. Not revenue, not gross, cash in my bank account. And I want to show you the model that made it possible, because it's not the model most people in this space are talking about. Let's start with what Claude Code actually is, because if you haven't used it yet, it's genuinely one of the most powerful tools available to a solo founder right now. Claude Code is an agentic coding tool. You give it a task and it plans, reasons, write files, run commands, reads your code base, and iterates. You don't need to be a developer to use it. You can describe what you want in plain language and it builds it. Claude Code can help you validate a business idea, build an MVP, automate your content pipeline, and run your entire marketing operation. This is all real and it all works. Now look, you can build an AI software tool or an AI automation agency and sell it to clients. That can work. Some people make a lot of money with it. But it is a service business at the end of the day. And service businesses have a ceiling and they also take a lot of work and a lot of time. There's only so many hours in a day, only so many clients you can handle, and every dollar you make requires you to deliver more work, even if you use AI. You're still trading time for money, you're doing it with better tools. The one-person AI business that actually scales without that ceiling is selling a digital product, specifically a high-ticket online course. You build it once, you sell it over and over. The margin is 80 to 95%. You don't need a team. You don't need to deliver a custom service to every single client. You need the right people to find you, trust you, and buy from you. And Claude makes every part of that faster and easier than ever before. And if you want to see the exact system I use to do this, how I use AI to build and sell a high-ticket course as a one-person business, I put it all inside a free course on School. Every step is in there and it's completely free. And if you want me to personally help you build your own AI business selling digital products so you can finally have geographical freedom and quit your job that you hate, you can also apply to book a free call with me. Now I've got limited spots for those, I'll be honest. Both links will be in the description below. Now let me show you how Claude actually fits into this model, because this is where it gets really useful. So here's exactly how I actually use Claude in a course business, because it's not just for building apps unlike some people think. First, use it to figure out what to sell. You can open Claude and give it a research prompt. Tell it to browse Reddit communities and forums in a niche you're interested in, pull the most upvoted posts about frustrations and problems people have, and summarize the exact language people use to describe those problems. This is your market research. In one afternoon, you can have a validated course topic with the exact words your future students are already using to describe the pain you're going to help them to solve. That used to take weeks, even months. Now you can do that in a few hours thanks to AI. And here's the thing most people never say out loud. You don't need to be an expert in the topic to build the course. This is the part that AI changed completely. Before AI, that wasn't possible. You can use Claude to research a subject in depth, pull together the best information available on it, build a full curriculum, write the lesson scripts, structure the modules. You bring the direction and the packaging, because the AI won't work unless you tell it exactly what you want it to do. Claude does the heavy lifting on the content itself. If you don't want to be on camera, you can use an AI avatar or AI voice to deliver the course. The barrier to building a high-quality course is basically gone. Anyone can do this now. Second, use Claude to improve your funnel. The funnel is really important because most people are still doing it the old way and leaving a ton of money on the table. The old funnel is this. You send traffic to an opt-in page, then they watch a video sales letter, then they hit a book a call page, then they actually show up on that call, and then you try hard to close them with sales techniques. That model is kind of dying because people have been through it so many times, they're already skeptical before they finish watching your video sales letter. The trust is gone before they even get to speak with you. I'm not saying it doesn't work anymore, but there is a much better way to do it. The funnel that's actually converting the most right now is sending people to a free course on School. You give them real value before you ask for anything. They go through your content, they learn useful info, they start to trust you, and by the time they book a call with you, they already believe you can help them. That call is no longer a sales call at this point. It's a simple qualification conversation. You're just helping them to figure out if your paid program is the right next step for them. The close rates are higher, the calls are easier, it's more fun, the whole experience is better for everyone. People make up their mind before the call. The sale is won before, not during the call. And the best part is that you don't even need to write a single line of code to build that funnel. Everything is drag and drop. Even a kid could do it. You don't need a developer, you don't need to pay an expensive agency. One person with Claude can build a full funnel in a weekend. And if you want to see exactly how I built mine, again, you can get it inside the free course in the description below. So let me make this concrete. Here's what 30 days actually looks like. Week 1. Use Claude to research your niche, validate your course topic, and outline your curriculum. It's only 2 to 3 hours of work and you have a validated idea with the market language already done. In week 2, you build the course. Use Claude to help you write the lesson scripts. Record it yourself, or simply use an AI avatar if you don't want to be on camera. You don't need perfect production. You need content that actually helps people. Week 3, build the funnel. Set up your school community. Post your first few lessons in there. Use Claude to write scripts for your content so you can start driving traffic to the community. Week 4, now you start to get on calls. By now, people are going through your free content and some of them are going to want to go further. That's when they book a call. You talk to them. You figure out if your paid course is the right fit and you close the ones it's right for. It's honestly the easiest sales you're ever gonna get, and you get paid thousands of dollars for your course when you structure it right. This is a one-person AI business built in 30 days with Claude doing most of the heavy lifting. Look, Claude Code is a genuinely incredible tool, but the truth is, a tool is only ever as good as the business model you use it for. Building AI apps for clients or doing AI automation, it's a service business. It has a ceiling, and quite frankly, it's difficult and can get quite boring as well. Selling a high-ticket course is a digital product business. It scales without you doing more work for every dollar you make. Again, I built a free course on School that walks you through the entire method step by step. How to find your niche idea, how to build the course, how to set up the funnel, how to get your first sales. It's completely free. You can get it by clicking on the link in the description below. And if you want me to personally help you build this, tell you exactly what your course should be, and walk you through every step of the process, how to build the course, how to get clients, which AIs we use, etc., you can book a free call with me through the link in the description as well. I take these calls personally, so they're application only, and I don't have unlimited availability, so if you're serious, I suggest you book your call now. The links are below, and I will see you on the other side.